Hello students, in this solution chapter we are going to learn solubility based topics. As in previous topic we learn the definition of solubility. What is solubility? Solubility of substance is its maximum amount that can be dissolved in a specific amount of solvent at a specific temperature. It depends upon the nature of solute and solvent. Okay students, now solubility of solid in liquid. So first of all, solubility of solid in liquid, as we know that every solid does not dissolve in given liquid, while some different solid like sodium chloride, sugar dissolve readily in water, naphthalene and any other substances or any other solvent. But in case of solid, mainly we use a word like dissolve like, which means polar solute dissolve in polar solvent. Polar means just like HCl, just like H2O. Non-polar means like benzene, CCl4. These are non-polar. So we use polar solute and non-polar in case of like dissolve like. Okay students, so in previous class we learned about saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated solution. Saturated solution, the solution in which no more solute can be dissolved, called saturated solution. And unsaturated solution in which more solute can be dissolved at same temperature. Okay students, now factors affecting solubility of solid in liquid. Okay students, first of all, effect of temperature. As the temperature increases, the solubility also increases. It is worked as Le-Chatelier's principle. In class 11th we learned Le-Chatelier's principle when we termed any changes with substances, the changes shift where do activities, like we changes the temperature, always changes occurs in temperature. Okay students, now second one, effect of pressure. So pressure do not have any significant effect for solubility of solid in liquid. Okay students, in next lecture we learn solubility of gas in liquid.